1970 Buick GSX. Not your typical Buick. The GSX is a torque monster. The GSX 455 engine Stage 1 option has 510 pound-feet of torque and a ridiculously underestimated factory rated 370 horsepower. A Muncie 4-speed or Turbo Hydra Matic 400 were available with a 10-bolt positive traction differential. The 3,874-pound GSX hits 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. Quarter mile in 13.38 seconds at 105.5 miles per hour. Quite respectable in 1970. Only 678 were produced, 187 base models, and 491 Stage 1. The 1970 base model price was $4,478. 1970 Buick GSX.